This little beauty is going to be used as a little coffee station, which is perfect. You can put all the extras in there, coffee cup, coffees and teas. I should have showed you before I added the tape. So I finished one set of squares. Now I'm going to start painting the squares in between here. Because this part over here has not been sanded, any paint that might have gotten here accidentally will very easily come out. These are those alcohol wipes. I'm going to go in with a brush and make sure I get all the corners. Now I'm going to show you how I do the harlequin or the diamond pattern. Because I want the diamonds to be this way, I am going to put the tape this way. I'm going to be using the 1.5 inch here, right in the center of the square. I want to put it right in the corner. And we're going to come down this way, right smack in the corner.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling.
It has these crossbars, which is really pretty, but the problem is that it sort of attached to this. So for me to do that in gold, I have to find a way to wrap up this here. I have these beads here, and I got them Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. There's 300 pieces. I like them, so I'm going to see if I can somehow incorporate these in there. I'm going to paint them in a gold color. I'm going to be using Liquid Leaf 6110, and let's see what we can do with this. I've stuck one of the little balls here, those half circles here, and I really like the way it turned out. So now I need to do something here. I don't know exactly what, but I know that this can't just be finished like this. I need to add something and make it really pretty, something that'll pop. It doesn't say the size. It says 12 mm. So that's the size this is. I really want to get some more, maybe in different sizes. I do have some already that I've painted in gold. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play with them over here and see what I can do to kind of cover this spot. That's the only way without painting the whole door in gold, just keeping the X in gold. So I'm not sure I like this. Maybe if I put it this way, this over here. What if I do like a little flower? Ooh, I like this. Woo! What a pain in the patoonie that is. So I'm going to glue these down and I want to show you how I just wanted to take off a little bit off of here. I've dried it and now we're ready to glue. Can you guess what we had for dinner? Haha. I'm going to be using the E6000. Squeeze the bottle here a little bit. Just a little bit.
I will keep on searching.
If you have another method to doing this, absolutely go ahead and do that.
You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high.
Now I'm going to be generous with the glue. I don't mind too much because this is going to have a lot of wear. So I want to make sure that it doesn't come off. Now I'll press them down just a little. I like the way it's turned out. There is some glue on the sides here. I'm going to gently with this little alcohol wipe. I'm going to wipe up the excess glue, wipes it right out. I'm going to do some touch-ups and I'm going to show you how to cover all of this in gold. Don't be afraid to do this. To be perfectly honest, this is my first time doing it. I can certainly see the glue in there, but we're going to fix that. So I'm going to go on to the next one. I like to clean the glue. It gives it such a nice seal back. For now, I've added the little flower thingies here at the bottom and on both doors and that little knob. We're going to come back and I'm going to show you how to cover all this up, removing the excess glue. So we'll see you in a few seconds. Well, in this video, you'll see me in a few seconds, but for me, I'll see you in a couple of hours. You can see a little bit of the cabinet color, a little bit of the glue, and I'm just going to cover that. I'm just using that liquid leaf. I'm just going to dab it between the beads where it kind of fills in everything underneath. See how easy that was? Don't be afraid to try it. Keep at it. You'll get it right. And if you see some little spots that you might want to tend to, go ahead and do that now. Now I painted the handles in gold to kind of tie it in. The hinges are silver. I'm just going to touch it up with a little bit of gold, kind of dab it in there. I wasn't going to try it, but at the end of the day, who cares? I thought, let me just dab a little bit and see how it turned out, and I love it. I'm going to be using the mini wax, the ultra fast drying poly acrylic. This is a protection for the table, and it's a water base, and it's the clear semi-gloss. When you open this, do not shake the can in any way, shape, or form. You do not want to create the bubbles. You just want to stir it ever so gently. I don't know why, but this works really, really well for me. You do your homework, you do your, you do you, but this has worked for me so far. So I have been using this over and over for months and months. It looks brand spanking new. When I finish using it, I wash it with water and soap right away. Make sure it's all nice and clean. And then I shape it, squeeze it out like this. I hang it to dry. And once it's dry, I put it back in the package. When you seal something, make sure you always do it to one side. If you're going to do this, that's fine, but don't go, up and down and this.
Even if the sky is falling down,
it'll drip down the side, so you do have to make sure that that is sealed as well, and there's no sort of dripping.
jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to subscribe, hit that red button below, hit the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when and never ever, I wish I did. Take care and have an amazing week.
Who goes? Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling